Hello, my dear friends. I'm Kajal. Today, I'll tell you about all cells replicate their hereditary information by templated polymerization. Here, as we know that the mechanisms that make life possible depend on the structure of the double-stranded DNA molecule. Each monomer is a single DNA strand, that is, each nucleotide consists of two parts, a sugar, that is deoxyribose, with a phosphate group attached to it, and a base, which may be either adenine stands with A, guanine stands with G, cytosine stands with C, or thymine T. Each sugar is linked to the next via the phosphate group, creating a polymer chain composed of repetitive sugar phosphate backbone with a series of bases protruding from it. The DNA polymer is extended by adding monomers at one end. For a single isolated strand, if we talk, these monomers can, in principle, be added in any order, just because each one links to the next in the same way through the part of the molecule that is the same for all of them. In the living cell, however, DNA is not synthesized as a free strand in isolation but on a template formed by a pre-existing DNA strand. The bases protruding from the existing strand bind to bases of the strand being synthesized according to a strict rule defined by the complementary structures of the bases. A binds with T, that is adenine with thymine, cytosine with guanine. This base pairing holds fresh monomers in place and thereby controls the selection of which one of the four monomers shall be added to the growing strand next. Exactly in this way, a double-stranded structure is created, so consisting of two exactly complementary sequences of adenine, cytosines, thymine, and guanines. The two strands twist around each other, forming a DNA double helix. The bonds between the base pairs are weak compared with the sugar phosphate links, and this allows the two DNA strands to be pulled apart without breakage of their backbones. Each strand then can serve as a template in the way just described for the synthesis of a fresh DNA strand complemented to itself, that's a fresh copy, that is, of the hereditary information. In different types of cells, this process of DNA replication occurs at different rates with different controls to start it or to stop it, and different auxiliary molecules to help it along. But the basics are universal. DNA is the information store, but the basics are universal. That is, DNA is the information store for hereditary, and templated polymerization is the way in which this information is copied throughout the living world. Thank you very much.